Hello and welcome to my today's video. In today's video we are going to discuss the modern bathroom decor tips and tricks. In today's episode we are exploring some fantastic tips and tricks to modernize and revamp your washroom decor. A modern bathroom can be both stylish and functional, providing a refreshing oasis for relaxation. Let's dive right in. The foundation of modern bathroom decor is clean lines and minimalism. Start by decluttering your bathroom space, removing unnecessary items, and only keep what you see and use daily. Choose a monochromatic color palette for a modern look. Gray, whites, and natural tone work well. Incorporate pops of colors through accessories or artwork. Upgrade your fixtures can make a huge difference. That is the sleek, modern, and shower heads and cabinet handles. Matte black and brushed decals finish are on trend. Floating vanities create a sense of space and openness in our modern bathrooms. They are not only visually appealing but also make cleaning a breeze. Large mirrors reflect light and make your bathroom feel more spacious. Combine them with modern, well placed lighting for a dramatic effect. Modern bathrooms are all about small storage. Consider wall mounted cabinets, under sink drawers, and open shelves for a clutter free hook. Minimalist decor like geometrical shapes and simple artwork can add character to your bathrooms. Don't forget the power of indoor plants to bring life and refresher to the space. Choose a natural palette colors for a modern look. Shades like white, gray, beige, and soft pastels create a calm and timeless atmosphere. These colors make the bathroom feel more spacious and allow their elements to stand out. Upgrading our fixtures is a key step to modern bathrooms decor. Consider installing wall mounted sinks to maximize counter space. Modern shower heads and bathtubs design can also elevate the overall look. Mirrors are not only functional but also add depth and style to your bathroom. Large frameless mirrors can create an illusion of more space. You can also experiment with unique mirror shapes and frames for add flair. To soften the modern aesthetic, introduce greenery and decor, and small potted plants can bring life and color to the space. Select decorative actions that align with your modern theme. Thank you for watching on joining the journey of modernized your bathrooms. We hope you will find these ideas helpful in creating the bathroom of your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos to promote my channel. Thank you so much.